Hello Dinner with the Raja family, welcome back to the channel. I hope we're all doing well and staying safe wherever we are. Well, today we are making chicken tikka masala. We're taking it all the way to India. When I first started the channel, this is basically the aim of Dinner with the Raja, to try new things that we do not know, things that do not quite oriental, let me put it that way. So try new recipes each and every day, you know, add something new to your menu, your dinner menu and everything. So back to the basics, we're making chicken tikka masala. We are going through the very step-by-step guide to make your best chicken tikka masala, the restaurant style, your favorite restaurant style. I know you can't wait, I can't wait. Let's get cracking. To start with, we need our chicken. So I'm using chicken thighs today, reason being it doesn't dry up in the mouth with the chicken thighs, and you get more flavor with the thighs, but you can go for breast if you want to go for breast. So that's our chicken, nice and fine chopped. And then we have here our ginger. So this is the ginger we'll be using throughout the process. We'll use some to marinate the chicken, and then obviously some in the sauce. And then our garlic, that's our garlic right here. And then our garam masala to marinate and also to use in the sauce, that is garam masala. And then we're gonna use yogurt to marinate the chicken. Of course, salt for taste, black pepper as well for flavor. And then we have here our lime. We will be putting some, did I say lime? Lemon. We've got our lemon here. We will be putting it on the chicken. So let's just get started. First of all, let's put our lemon, garnish half of the lemon in there. I think this is a seedless one, very nice, no seeds coming out. Perfect, smells beautiful. Yeah, so once that is gone in, we'll go straight ahead and then put in fact, let's put in the yogurt. In goes our yogurt. Yeah, and like I said, we need half of our ginger, and then garlic as well, half will do. And then we need our masala in there. So we're gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna go in, dive in, because my fingers does the best job. Yeah, so dive in with the fingers. So we put in the salts, and so we're using some sea salt. I love sea salt because we have some amazing flavors in there. And then a bit of black pepper as well. That should do. So once you've even incorporated all the spices, yogurt and everything together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover this and put it in fridge for half an hour. Equally, you can do this overnight, leave in fridge. It's even more flavorful if you do it that way. But I'm just gonna use this and put it in fridge for half an hour, so to get, you know, the chicken well marinated, to get the taste out of it. Yeah. So chicken has marinated for half an hour now. So we're gonna start with the sauce. So we need chopped tomatoes, onions chopped, and then we've got double cream here. Then we need butter for the sauce. We've got some cumin to spice it up, ginger, garlic, our Garam Masala, Turmeric, and Coriander to spice it up. So to start, we put oil in the pan. So I'm using olive oil, and as you can see, we don't want to get ourselves bent here. So I'm gonna bring the heat down. Just not to get myself bent. So you put your chicken into the pan and then start fry it. Smells amazing already. So we're trying to achieve a golden brown color here. Make sure our chicken is very well cooked. If you realize it's burning on the side or it's going dark brown, do not worry about that. That is all flavor. It brings a special flavor to our sauce, so do not worry about that at all. So in total, we will be frying the chicken for about 10 minutes, just to make sure it's very well cooked. So the moment you realize the oil is trying to settle, then you realize that your chicken is ready. So straight in, we still have our flavorful oil in the pan. So to that we will add the butter. And then next we will be putting in the onions. So we are gonna fry the onions until it's well cooked, nice and golden brown. If it goes dark brown, do not worry about it. Like I said, it's all flavor. If you get it just like so, that is perfect. So next, we'll put our ginger and garlic and fry that. We're frying it at this point in time again to bring flavor. Most Indian dishes, guys, is got to do with the spice. So chicken tikka masala, you've got to get your spices right. Yeah. So we will fry this for the next 2 minutes. So we're gonna go in with the spices, all the spices. So we put our turmeric, garam masala, our cumin, coriander, everything. The flavor in this, guys, it's just beautiful. So once the spices has been frying for about, let's say 20-30 seconds, then we put in the tomatoes. I've used there 1 can of chopped tomatoes, finely blended. You can use tomato puree if you so wish, but I chose to use fresh tomatoes. Yeah. So we're just gonna mix everything, make sure it's evenly mixed. So what we will do is we're gonna leave this to simmer, cover and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the tomatoes is well cooked. So we've just put in some seasoning. That's onga seasoning for taste. Just half of it. Our chicken has already got seasoning in it, so we don't want to make sure we don't want to overpower our sauce with salt or anything like that. So as you've seen, I've not put salt in anything just yet. It's just a half onga seasoning that I've used. So that is my pepper. Of course we need chili in there. Yeah, so that's my chili powder. I didn't put in when I was putting in all the spices because I didn't want the sauce to go too dark. Yeah. Christmas is just around the corner, guys, so you can serve your guests while your guests with this sauce. Is really, really tasty. It's just beautiful. Wow, your guests as a side dish. You can do this as a side dish. You see the color looking absolutely beautiful. So I can tell that it's well cooked through now. So we are gonna put our cream in now. Very, very important ingredient here. Yeah, and that changes the whole game. So we're just gonna take our time and make sure everything is very well incorporated. See the color changing. Look at that. And once it's well incorporated, we'll let it cook for about 5 minutes, and yeah. Perfect. So once all cooked through, we introduce our chicken into the sauce. And you're gonna get some very, very beautiful flavors. So just gonna mix everything together. And this should be done on a medium heat. If obviously your sauce is too thick, you can always add water to loosen it up. So added a bit of water to loosen it up. So once it's cooked through, garnish with coriander. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Give it a try as well. Yeah, share the video, give it a thumbs up, like it. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Be part of the dinner with Irajua family. Yeah, okay, so until I see you in my next video, please let's keep checking on each other. Let's spread love. Call your family member, call a friend, check on them, ask how they are doing. Let's share love in this festive season. God bless you.